Every smile begins with you. La la la. Guess you really changed my view. Met you on a Tuesday lane. Coffee cup, a scribbled name. Didn't think you'd stay that long, but somehow we just belong. You don't talk with fancy lines, still you echo in my mind. Little jokes and sideways glance, now I'm lost in this sweet chance. You don't even try at all, but I feel 10 feet tall. It's all about you and the way you smile. You don't even know, but you drive me wild. Every time you look my way, feels like color in a world of gray. You don't ask much, that's your style, but oh, you make it all worthwhile. Walks that don't lead anywhere, still I'm happy you are there. Counting clouds or counting shoes, I could spend my days with you. Even when you just stay still, my whole world begins to fill, like a page with something new, like a dream I never knew. You don't change the world, it's true, but you would change my point of view. It's all about you when the sky turns pale. Even silence tells a tale. When you're near, the time feels right. Even wrong turns glow at night. You don't notice, but it's true. Every sweet thing leads to you. No scripts, no glitter, just your voice. But with you, I made my choice. Every laugh you didn't plan still becomes my favorite jam.